Are you looking for a great opportunity to earn some money while sitting at home? YouTube, being the second largest search engine, gives you the golden opportunity to bring home some extra cash. Wondering how? Well then keep on watching, for in this video, I will show you 5 incredible ways to make money from YouTube. So before we get started, please do hit that like button so this video reaches more people. And let's get started. Most people think monetizing their YouTube channel is enough to earn money from YouTube. They get misled by the belief that having a lot of subscribers and views is enough. They are wrong. There are many factors like channel engagement, watch time that are equally important to make money on YouTube. In this video, we're going to discuss all the proven ways to make money on YouTube. First we have earn money from YouTube ads. Well, this is the most common way to earn from YouTube. You can start earning by simply placing ads on YouTube videos once you meet the minimum requirements. You will need a Google AdSense account to get paid. You will also need to meet YouTube's minimum monetization requirements. It is 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of view time in the last 1 year. Once you meet this criterion, YouTube will enroll you in the YouTube Partner Program and start showing ads on your videos. These ads may be display ads, video ads, and overlay ads. It is an amazing opportunity to earn regular income, but you need to make sure that you get enough views. YouTube also has a subscription program where users pay YouTube to remove ads. YouTube distributes a share of the subscriber revenue to the channel owners based on the videos that subscribers watch. Number 2. Get your fans to pay you directly. Getting fans to pay you directly is also a popular way through which you can earn a good amount from YouTube. This is one of the easiest and effortless way. All you have to do is ask for your fans to show their appreciation with their credit or debit card. Next, get paid from your fan base using YouTube features. A. Ask them to sign up as YouTube Premium member. If they sign up, you get paid a small share of the revenue when they watch your videos. B. Persuade your fans to become members of your channel. This feature is available to established YouTubers. You can start a membership program and people can pay a monthly fee to show their support. And C. Host a super chat. Start a super chat where your subscribers will pay you some amount to make their comment visible in the live chat. Next, recommend affiliate products. If you want to earn from ads on YouTube, you will need to have a huge subscriber count. So, when your channel is at the initial stage, you cannot just blindly rely on YouTube ads when it comes to earning money, can you? In that case, if you don't want to just sit back and watch your subscriber count going up slowly, you can opt for affiliate marketing and review products. Collaborate with different brands and review their products on YouTube to get commission. You can find companies that are looking for affiliates on marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, or check if your favorite products have affiliate program. This is a great way to earn a good commission when your channel is at the initial stage. Many marketers who have started working on this strategy are successful YouTubers now. So don't wait any longer and get started as an affiliate marketer. And lastly, use the best YouTube SEO tools to boost your YouTube rankings. If you have not yet built some genuine followers on YouTube, it's high time you should. None of the strategies that I have mentioned are going to work if you're unable to boost your views or subscribers on YouTube. Wondering how to step up your game and stand out from the crowd? Well, for that you would require excessive keyword research, and competitor analysis is not an easy task to do. Hence, to make it easier, you must get the best tool that can automate the YouTube marketing process for you and get you the best results. The best tool in this category would be GT4.
Did you know that you can get a software that gets perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, and tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy? It can get the exact optimizations that you need to rank on number 1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags, and optimize any videos in minutes, not hours. And that is GT4. Stop being in the background and get your #1 rankings plus traffic with TubeRankJeet 4. It's a powerful video SEO optimization in minutes. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented, with just 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the keywords you want to rank. Step 2. Follow TubeRankJeet's instruction. And Step 3. Enjoy the traffic. So, try TubeRankJeet 4 now. Go to TubeRankJeet.com.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. And if it did, please do hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be updated on our daily videos.